Hey, my name's Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of Dr. K's shower bench. This is a great tool. It's something that I use a lot in my practice in general. I use a lot of shower chairs and a lot of shower benches. So one of the nice things about this is that it can hold about 350 pounds. So if someone's heavier, they can use this. This version has some non-slip feet here. I like how narrow this is too, and it will fit in this tub that I have here. You can also use this in a walk-in shower as well. On this here, on screws that will lock this in place, so you can adjust this, or you can easily take this apart, put it in a bag, and take it with you. And it's also small enough to, if you didn't want to take it apart, you could just put it in your car like this as well. It was pretty easy to put this together. It took about 10 minutes. The instructions that came with it were very easy to read. You just need to make sure that you take the time to put everything in place. Just screw it with your hands. You don't need any other tools than what comes with it. It just comes with these screws and the bars and the seat itself. It also has the handles here too as well, which will make it easier to reposition yourself and grab onto if you're in the shower. It also has some holes here on the bottom, which will help with drainage of the water, so the water will just drip right through instead of sitting on the bench, which is nice. It sits right here on the inside like so. So if someone wants to jump into the shower, you can sit on the bench. To adjust it, you take these little pegs here and you just pop them. And they're pretty easy to adjust. And now I've got a lower shower chair or a lower shower seat. This is a great bench. It feels pretty comfortable, pretty easy to use and put together. I would definitely recommend this. I hope you guys take a look at it.